Tired of ordinary human characters? Want to add something unusual and attractive to your project? The furry Bullman Woodman character will be the perfect solution. We present a detailed low-poly model with an excellent balance of quality and performance. Technical characteristics: 40,000 triangles, 25,000 vertices, 5 materials, 18 PBR textures, the ability to optimize materials through atlases without losing texture quality. Animation features: advanced bone system with additional bones for hair, ears, and tail, a high-quality weight painting, full range of motion for all joints, epic skeleton for compatibility with any humanoid animations from the Unreal Engine marketplace, 52 blend shapes for Live Link and Apple AR Kit, universal application, RPG and fantasy games, hyper-casual projects, social avatars, VR applications, Oculus VR, PC VR. This unique character will bring freshness and originality to any of your projects, from mobile games to virtual reality. The fur mechanic is ready for immediate use and will be a great addition to your game universe.